Hey everyone! In today's video, I'm going to show you how to translate on the RedNote app directly on the app. Let's get started. First, make sure you have the latest version of the RedNote app. If you haven't updated yet, go ahead and update it from the App Store or Play Store. Once you've updated the app, open it up. Even if you've set the language to English, some content may still need translation. To enable auto-translate, tap on the Me profile icon. Next, tap on the 3 lines at the top of the screen and then tap on Settings. From there, tap on General Settings, and the first option you'll see is Language and Translation. Tap on that. Now you'll see a new section called Translate. If you want to enable auto-translate, select English. This will automatically translate content into English. Once you've selected your language, the app will refresh. After the refresh, you'll notice that content is now displayed in English. If you ever want to turn off auto-translate, just disable the option, close the app, and relaunch it. Note that some things like usernames won't be translated, but for the most part, this is a great update that makes the app more user-friendly. And that's it. That's how you enable translation on the RedNote app. I hope this video was helpful. If so, please consider liking and subscribing for more tips and tricks for the RedNote app. See you next time. This